Do you know it's WTI? And my favorite thing about these amazing Abby tumblers is that even though they look like glass, they're really plastic. So I'm definitely accident prone in the kitchen and I drop my dishes constantly. I'm always breaking things. In fact, I often break jars that I am stirring in different protein powders into, and I'm so happy that I have these glasses now because I can clink that spoon against the edge and it doesn't break. I love how beautiful these are. They have a wavy pattern on the outside, and I actually like that a lot because it helps to keep my grip on them, again, so that I'm not constantly dropping them. But if I do, I have peace of mind that they're not going to break, and they don't. I also love the size of these. These are 20 ounce. I am always trying to increase my water intake, especially first thing in the morning. And so having a glass that holds 20 ounces, it really motivates me to drink that much first thing in the morning and then throughout the day to really finish it so that I can get enough water. I love that I can stack them. We have a small amount of space in our home and I can do two together and it fits perfectly just on the upper shelf where we keep our glasses. I'm really pleased with these glasses. They have been perfect for use in our home, especially with me being so accident prone. And that's my point of view.